What is happening, YouTube people? Colorado Motor Prescription here again. Another 4Runner video, and I'm going to talk about, firstly, my Compustar remote start system. I had a handful of people inquire about this system, and wanted to just share my experience with the Compustar. So I'm going to show the Compustar system right now. I did have it installed with the drone app, and really happy with it. And you can continue to use your key as remote access, or you can use the Compustar for entry and remote start. So I'm going to go ahead and press the lock button, and you'll notice it hits the lock button twice. So this is the state my vehicle would normally be in the morning when I want to warm it up, get the ice off the windshield. And so with the Compustar, there's a little thing that happens, and I'm not sure if it's the way it was installed or if it's just something unique to my installation, but what I'm experiencing is this. So if I just hit the remote start button here and hold it down to remote start the vehicle, that's annoying. So what happens is the alarm goes off, which is pretty weird. So let me go ahead and shut the vehicle off. Make sure the vehicle's locked. And what I have to do in the mornings when I want to remote start my vehicle to warm it up, I have to unlock the vehicle, use the remote start button, and then I have to lock it again. What's interesting as well is after the vehicle has been started remotely, using the remote to lock and unlock the vehicle does not make any sound. So I can unlock it now. You'll see the lights flash maybe in the, I don't know if you can from the sunlight, or I can lock it, but no more beeping. If I use the key fob to lock or unlock, no more beeping. So it remains silent. And so, see the vehicle is running. And what's happening is the fan is on, so you can have the heat on. The defroster will not turn on by itself. You need to turn that on manually. But I usually leave mine set to defrost, warm temperature, and about a medium fan. So that defrosts the ice from my windshield in the mornings. My 4Runner does not fit in my garage, unfortunately, so pretty sad for me. So you can see that the radio is not on, navigation is not on, no other accessories are on, which I think is nice, because sometimes you have those icy cold mornings and you pulled in last night and you had the stereo cranking, and what can happen is you remotely start your vehicle and the stereo comes on blasting, and next thing you know you've got some blown speakers because they're frozen and you're blasting them out. So we'll stick the key in the ignition here, turn it on to accessory. See, the accessories do come on now, and if I go ahead and turn it on all the way, now I'm in a position where I can drive off safely, apply the parking brake, everything's good. Now let's say I have shut the vehicle off, take the key out, you see the vehicle's still running. Because I did not put the truck in drive and drive off, I can let it continue to remotely run. So if I forgot something back inside the house, I need to run back in real quick, then I can do that, pop the key back in. As long as I don't shift into drive, then I'm good to go with that. I'll talk to you a little bit about the drone app here in just a second. The drone app uses a cell signal from AT&T to allow you to remotely start your vehicle from an app on your phone. And as long as your truck is in range of an AT&T cell tower, you can remotely start and unlock and lock your vehicle from anywhere. That's a pretty cool feature, but you do have to pay, I think it's $6.99 a month for that feature. The other additional feature along with that is a GPS location. If you pay an additional $6.99 a month, so that would be $13.99 a month, I believe. $13.98 a month. Maybe it's $13.99. I don't know for sure. I'll have to check that out. But if you pay the additional $6.99 a month, you can GPS locate your vehicle. So if you're lending your car to your family or friends, you'll always know where it is. Now, let's say I get in the vehicle and I don't put my key in the ignition, so my vehicle's outside running and I forgot to lock it. If somebody gets in and they put the foot on the brake, the vehicle shuts down. You cannot shift out of park without putting your foot on the brake. So nobody can steal your vehicle. You might lose some of the things that are in your vehicle, but you won't lose your truck. I had mine professionally installed. The installation was included with the price of the remote. I think with the drone app and everything, the drone module included, all the pieces with installation was about $450. That was here in Denver, Colorado. So your price may vary where you live, depending on your location. I see it's a little bit more expensive in other places, but I just want to give a quick rundown of the Compustar Remote Start. And I'm digging it so far. And if you have any questions about it, hit me up in the comments. I love it so far. I've had it about maybe 5 months. I got it shortly after I got the truck. So I've had it almost immediately after getting the truck. And I've put a lot of miles on this guy so far, and I'm loving the 4Runner. So hopefully some more videos soon, guys. But that is a breakdown on the Compustar Remote. Thank you.